Hoji akoina sit-in protest tawjari mayamna di akoje picnic chalubadai sargi against akoina lepane haina mayamna amuk pauje khatang aran ma keron da pubi gi badawna taweba ado tasengki hairaga di akoina hoji protest tawjari baje sije sarna akoida wahi watam leba macha ta daba mayam sijina gi ba adugi pen daba gi akoi tawjabane ba aduga beke taw haina akoigi central college da laiba mi mayam ama extra sigi stage da laiba na taba mayam ama mayum hanba ya daba mayam ama gi moi mayum hallo na hairaga heta khudak da order thokjala akoi lebam khang da akoida piba mental torture do adugi damakta ne akoi na hojai ado mayamna lana akoi picnic chapagi adugi haibadudi adudi yam nuai jade akoi adugi damakta tawjaba nate akoi adu haijani.
Notice dated 9/5/25 issued by first year students RIMS Imphal. It has come to our attention that a letter to the director titled that concern regarding ongoing protests and propaganda against the administration is being circulated in the social media falsely, claiming to present the views of the first year students of RIMS Imphal. We, the students of first year batch, would like to clearly state that we have not written, authorized, or supported the content of that letter in any manner. The opinions and allegations mentioned in it are not any representative of our batch in any way. We strongly support our seniors in the ongoing protest on our own free will, and we stand united with them in raising our collective voices, not just for justice and fair treatment, but against the harassment provided by the director. Any attempt to divide the student unity by spreading false narratives in our name is strongly condemned by us, and this notice is issued to clarify our stance and to maintain transparency and unity among all students.
There has been certain allegations that we, the second-year students of RIMS, have been forced to join the protest against the misuse of power and verbal sexual harassment by the director, demanding his resignation. We firmly state that we are here of our own volition and not due to so-called pressure tactics from our seniors. In fact, it is the seniors who have sought to protect us from the victimization and targeted actions by the authorities. We believe in the spirit of the protest wholeheartedly. We stand proud as the owner of our own voices and consider ourselves as well the leaders of this protest.
Akoi gi hoji main demand je director ne din ne sub din ne akoi moi resignation tau bi bane ba ado akoi hoji demand khara amde akoi fulfill tau bi re ado akoi gi bapung oiba demand full demand je akoi pibi na ba na akoi hoji sit in protest adum makha ta na tau jagi ne akoi demand fully phangji phawadi.